Good morning, everybody. Today is August the 21st, and you're not seeing this until December or January, I think. But it's a really fun day to vlog. Basically, my entire family, so me, my twin brother who's there, hello mate,
Yeah.
my dog even, who's there, my two big sisters and Ian, who's somewhere, are all doing a really big shoot for Cosmo magazine. Apparently it's going to be like a big sort of 6-page spread or something. We don't actually know because it hasn't happened yet.
This is how small she is.
And this is the shoot day, so I thought I would document this stuff. Basically the vibe is very 70s, but not like costume 70s, but sort of like 70s inspired, if that makes sense. We're not going to sort of dress up in flares and look kind of crazy, like we've gone back in time. It's just kind of got that vibe about it. It's like a 70s sort of family portrait. We're all looking up in one direction, and yeah, it's going to look really cool. Basically, round the corner, I've got all the styling stuff going on. I've got a few of my own bits and bobs that kind of have 70s feels about them, but only because sometimes you turn up on set and nothing fits. So I thought I'm going to be safe and bring some stuff, but actually everything looks really cool. The stuff that I bought consists of this suede Sandro jacket, this leather Kooples jacket. I got some cords. I got a few pairs. I've got like a pair of loafers with that sort of mustardy socks, and this shirt that I'm wearing right here, which is from Gucci. So we're just going to sort of see what works. So we'll probably have a few outfit changes. That's what's happening. And I guess when everyone's got their hair and makeup done, I will intro you to my family. I know you've met them before. Actually, no, I say this. Every time I post a photo on Instagram or something where I feature my family, people are like, what? You guys are related? So John is from the Lean Machines YouTube channel. My sisters are from Pixie Woo. And Ian, who is Nick's husband, is from Haste Kitchen. And people are like, whoa, get their minds blown if they happen to watch us all separately but not realise that we're related. We are. Adores Nick. It's so cute. I don't know why, like over everyone else, or the rest of my family, I think his Nick always sort of sneaks her food, but she absolutely adores her. Oh look, that means more. So cute. She's looking up her nose. Right, Bambino, you ready? Come here. No, sit. No, back up here. Ready, sit. Lay down. Let's move this out of your way. Leave it. I would make you roll over, but you're going to fall off, aren't you? Pound it. Good girl. Go on then, you can have it. Pound it again. Good girl. Pour. And pound it. Oh yeah, she's a genius. I don't know if you can hear, there's lots of sort of background noise, but very quietly we've got some 70s vibes going on. We're currently listening to Fame. And we're going to do our best Fame when it comes up. I've just been doing it. You've got to go.
I don't know what to do.
You don't have to do a Fame. Okay, well hold this. Tell me where to go, G. We've just got a lot of instruments going on now.
It's a nice camera.
Oh, I missed it!
You have one job.
The idea being when you hear the Fame, you have to give me your best sort of...
Well, that's what I was thinking it was going to be.
Now you've got to go.
I don't want to...
There's one coming.
I don't want to...
Baby, remember me. That's awful.
Massive odds.
That was awful. At least it was on time though, I missed mine entirely.
Yeah.
My sisters are like super beautiful. They're having their shots. Let's see what it looks like on the screen if we can. It's quite crowded around there. Oh, very cool. This is what happens on a shoot after lunch. That was a bloody mammoth cake, wasn't it? And also the slices are huge. Look at the girth of that slice of cake there. I had half of one. And then you can see sort of the healthy stuff's still there. Basically, there's loads of salad left and loads of fruit left. We've done all right. So while we're on this break, this little dog has just been kind of on the scrounge for food. Sounds like she loves melon, so I'm going to give her a little bit and see how well behaved she is. Everyone's very impressed by her today because she's been a very good girl. Come. All right. Sit. Martha, sit. Listen. Pay attention. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Oh, how far can we go? No, back to the beginning. Stay. Come. Oh, good girl. There we go, baby. You love melon, don't you? Look at you gobble that up. You're a little pig. Oh, God. You can even chew.
Yeah, Jim, are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, you look great. Look at Sam in a little velvet number outfit change. I'm into it. You look a bit like sort of a sexy, not Aladdin, Genie from Aladdin.
Genie. I think it's Marion Faithful.
Nice.
2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
If you do it gently, it's so much more creepy.
You should all do that, guys. All tilt your head back with a big smile. Ready? Big smile. 3, 2, 1.
Outfit change time, and in case you were wondering what theme we're going for, 1970s, this is from Bella Freud, this jumper. It's a roll neck. It's very cool, and I'm actually wearing all the colours. I've got red on here, I've got these blue cords, which actually, in fact, most of what I've worn is mine. The jumper I wore in the first thing wasn't mine, but the trousers and the shoes were. And in this look, again, the trousers, socks and shoes are mine. So I've got these cords on by a brand called P. Johnson. And then these socks up on the London Sock Co, and they're sort of like this kind of bright mustardy colour, which is sort of very 70s to me. And then some loafers, which are from, do you know what? I couldn't tell you where these are from. I've had them for a long time, and they're actually really painful, so I haven't worn them that much. I've been home for about 45 minutes, only I haven't been able to get into my home because I've been locked out. I forgot my key like an idiot, and I've been standing outside, and it got so hot today. I didn't realise I've been indoors all day. And when I left this morning, it wasn't chilly, but it was, it wasn't warm either. And then I got out of the venue where the shoot was earlier, and it's really, really toasty. And I came wearing a leather jacket, and then stuck outside in like 27-degree heat, just stood there waiting for my dog walker, bless her, sent my house keys her house keys in a taxi to my house. So I'm in now. I have to remember that when she comes tomorrow, though, I'm going to have to let her in the house, and she hasn't got keys to get in. Anyway, I'm home. I had a really lovely day. It's not often that I get to hang out with my family all together, and particularly when it's kind of a work thing, it's just good fun. I do quite a lot of shoots. But there's something special about having kind of your closest people do it with you. So I had a lovely day, and the shots look wicked. When I first found out that it's kind of 70s inspired, it did get me quite excited. The 70s is not an era that I love in terms of fashion, but if you take elements of the 70s and kind of modernise it, it can look really, really cool. And it really all depended on the stylist. And luckily the stylist there let me kind of play with it and do my own thing. Really, I wore most of my own clothes apart from the 2 tops I wore. And it looks really, really great. There's loads of photos of us all together. Where we're kind of doing sort of a family portrait, but also lots of singles, lots of me and the dog, some of me and my brother, some of like my sisters together, some of Nick and her husband Ian. So yeah, it was a really, really lovely day. So thanks very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed a bit of behind the scenes. The magazine's out now, so I filmed this I filmed this when we shot it, and it comes out sort of, I think, January or December. So get yourself a copy if you're interested in seeing the final results. So it's goodbye from me, and it's also goodbye from this dog who's sniffing around for more treats probably. She's eaten so much food today because it is a shoot day, so I kind of let her do her thing. And I know that with that many people around, treats are the way to her heart, and I kind of thought, you know what, I'm eating cake and croissants and stuff, so I'm going to let her have loads of treats too. So, fingers, I don't know what's going to come out the other end of her tomorrow, but I'll keep an eye on it. Anyway, thanks very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.